The first one is the ISO 17065 accreditation. This is unique for an organization which is a non-profit organization like GlobalPlatform. This accreditation covers both the functional and the security for SE and TE. It gives proof to the market of the quality, the continuous improvement, the impartiality of the processes that are in place for these certification schemes. It is an additional confidence for the organization like EMVCO, GSMA, FIDO that are leveraging our certification schemes. It's also an additional assurance for the vendors who are going through their qualification of their product. And with the requirements that are coming up for the cyber security, it's important to increase the trust between the different parties like the lab, the scheme, the product vendor, the solution provider. And the ISO 17065 is one of way to increase the trust. The second achievement this year is the MUD file server. This is a free service that is available using the MUD file technology for device onboarding. This is an initiative to help in the adoption of a very low-cost technology to increase the security. It's for the vendors a way to share the device capabilities, and for the IT manager, it's then easier to set up safely the network to manage the multiple IoT devices that will connect. The last important achievement is SESIP. We have a new version available, and we are starting discussion with Sensenelec. We added two documents with the feedback we received from the Sensenelec experts. So those are the three important achievements from last year. Actually, didn't change really because GlobalPlatform is working virtually for a while. All the technical meetings are virtual already, so it doesn't change many things. We continue to have a webinar. We had a couple of webinars for the secure onboarding for IoT, the China security IoT. So we continue to develop even with virtual meeting, even though sometimes it's better to have face-to-face. And we held this week our first hybrid meeting. SESIP is for us an important topic again for the coming year. Continuing the discussion with the Sensenelec is really important. Improve again the methodology. Also educate the market. We will launch an onboarding program for lab and schemes, and we will support initiative to create IoT scheme for specific vertical. There's also a strong development in the trusted platform service. We have a couple of specifications that are ready for publication. The client API, the key store, the entity attestation. In addition to that, we are launching an open source. We will have a couple of reference implementation that will be available for TPS API. The last important topic is again IATOPIA. We are under discussion for the cyber security requirement in US with the President's order. There's a discussion around the software bill of material, SBOM, and we want to have a thorough analysis because we propose to manage it dynamically rather than having a static publication. Also, we will continue, obviously, to work on the MUD file and the service associated to that to help the market. And we will start also a discussion for the post-quantum cryptographic deployment in the IoT.